This is the Yeryork 15 amp, 18 inch tiller with a depth up to 9 inches. The company sent me this product to make a video for it, so let's do it. This is a follow-up to the video that I did earlier. I just wanted to show this thing in action here. I've got this section of land right here that I had some of that lizard tail stuff in. Now that spring is coming, I want to till this up real good and make sure I got all the roots out of there. You can see I've got some logs placed over where the cement comes to hold these posts in so I don't hit it. But here we go. I've got it set to the lowest depth right here just to give it a shot. And let's do it. Safety. Oh yeah. Here's basically what it looked like before. And you can see, boy, it just made easy work of that stuff. That cut through like butter. And I'm actually kind of surprised at the power of this thing. It's going to work great. Here you go. The Yeryork 15 amp, 18 inch tiller. Fantastic.